a body is at rest on the Earth's surface as shown on the Earth. If a body is at rest on the Earth's surface as shown on the board, if, I'll think of these ones, all right? Let's begin. If a body is at rest as shown on the board, this is a body at rest on the Earth's surface, Earth surface. The energy it possesses at this point is potential energy. But we must understand that its gravitational potential energy at this point is completely zero. Suppose this body is to be raised from this ground floor of the Earth's surface to a particular height, h. It means this body will no longer be here. It will take a different position at this point. The body is now here. What this means is some amount of work W is equal to mgh, which is this, has been done. So to raise this body from this point to this point, some amount of work must be done, and is given as W equal to mgh, where W represents work done, M represents mass of the body, G the acceleration due to gravity, and H the reference height, or the height raised to. The body is raised to, measured in meters. Now we have this. That's awesome. At this point, it is no longer just ordinary potential energy. The body now possesses gravitational potential energy as a result of its height or position. That's the first thing. Then the second thing we need to understand is this. Any points in G field. What do I mean by G field? Gravitational field. Any point in G field possess gravitational potential. So if we have G field at this point, and there is a body somewhere here at infinity, all right? We have a body at infinity. We need to bring this body to this point. Of course, you will have to understand here that some amount of work has to be done. Some amount of work has to be done. This is supposed to be V, not G. All right? So, some amount of work has to be done to bring this, or in taking this unit mass or body from infinity to this point. Now, that brings us to defining what gravitational potential is all about. So, with that, we can now define gravitational potential as work done in taking a unit mass from infinity to that point where the gravitational field is felt, or is experienced, or observed, so to say. So if we pull this body, by my diagram or by my illustration, as you can see, we pull it. What do you think happens here? Some amount of work is being done against gravitational field. And that's the potential we are talking about. And for us to represent this, there is a distance covered between the body and the field. And that is represented as R. If we understand this, we can now state the formula that can be used to solve any problem or problems that have to do with gravitational potential of any point, so to say. So we can now go and say, we now represent gravitational potential V as, let me take chalk, equal to minus G M all over R. Look at this. This represents what we are trying to say. The gravitational potential V is this, is equal to, this is minus. This minus shows that some amount of work or work is being done against the gravitational field in taking a unit mass from infinity to this point. That's what it means. It's being done against. That's the meaning of minus. So understand that. And this formula holds. So if there is any question that has to do, calculate, estimate, find the potential, gravitational potential of a point in taking a unit mass from infinity to that point, this is the formula to be used. And we'll get the correct answer. So at this point, if we understand that, it means that V represents gravitational potential of the point, and then mass representing, then M represents the mass of the body being taken from infinity to that point. Then we have R, distance, separating the body and the gravitational points. What do we have again? G. Of course, we know that G represents the universal gravitational constant. It's a constant. And that's all. So with this concept, we can solve any problem or problems associated with gravitational potential of any point. I know you are really finding pleasure or value in this. Are you still folding hands, watching? Subscribe. Come on. You can do better than just sitting there and watching me. Subscribe. Push on. Push on. The bell button for constant notification. Don't forget to share with your friends, networks, and students. And above all, remember to belong to this family. Come on. I need to see your comments. I need to read your comments. I need to know how you feel about what I'm doing. Put it in the comment section. If any of these steps that I've outlined here is not clear, put it in the comment section. Reply to I will treat it, I will address it in my next video. So, in my next video, I'll be using this formula to solve 1, 2, or 3 questions, and you will see how it is applied. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Thumbs up for you.